Welcome to Creative Designs, and for this week I've got you covered. I know in my last video I promised you guys a surprise, and I am so excited to be sharing this surprise with you guys. It's my DIY glam office space on a budget, and I'll list everything down in the description below. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right in the video. Okay guys, as you can see, my office really needed a makeover. So I went to Home Depot and I was trying to decide between these two desks. But I finally got the Vista computer desk. It's beautiful. I love it, and that's my style too. Mommy's little helper, she wanted to help me to make my office look glam. So she decided to make me a Chanel book. How thoughtful of her. And it came out beautiful. Okay guys, in this clip, this is where my husband and my son, they're both helping to put this desk together. And my husband, he did a wonderful job. And thank you to my son, Isaiah. Okay guys, as I said, this video is budget friendly, and most of these items that you see in the office, these are items that I've made in my previous video. So stay tuned and you'll see the finished results. Okay guys, these are just items that I picked up at my local Dollar Tree, and all I did was just spray paint them in silver, and that's the end results right there. make a beautiful office decor. Okay guys, these are just colored print that I found online, and all I did, I just went over to canvas.com and I put them in black and white, and then I send them over to my local Office Depot, and these are just 24 by 36, and you'll get them in the same day, and the cost of them is like only $3, and that's just me with the canvas and just adding the prints. Those are engineer prints, so when you order, remember to make sure you let them know that those are engineer prints, okay? And they'll be ready in the same day, and those are just $3, and I think the black and white go perfect, and it's very classy. Okay guys, and you can also use foam board. You can pick up one at Walmart. I think it's 2 in a pack, and I think it's only $4 for it, or you can get canvas at your local Michael's store. I think the canvas is on sale for around $11, so whatever you choose, it will work perfectly. Okay guys, final review, and this is what I call small space office on a budget. Isn't it beautiful? I am so proud of the end result. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. And make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. And for next week, I have a surprise for you guys, so tune in.